Hi, I'm Rebecca Newhouse with Vermont Country Campers, and today I want to introduce you to V-Noses, wind jammers. This particular one is 2715, and we're going to walk around, see what that extra few feet can make a real difference and how many different layouts we have. So first, 2715, and let's take a look. When you first walk in, you're going to come into a lovely couples seating area with big window, sofa, more windows, windows on each end of the slide, and your dining. There's plenty of TV, storage, nifty little nooks, like a desktop. And within the desktop, you actually have a charging station and a place for your remotes. We have a lovely galley, big deep counter, your range, oven, microwave, venting, cabinetry, and a kitchen window. Not to mention your nice big beautiful refrigerator and pantry. Nice deep pantry storage. Then we can walk into the bedroom, and in your master bedroom you have a door, place for your TV, dresser, extra deep wardrobe, hanging, your bed with plugs on each side, and above storage, windows on each side of the bed. And the best part is your own private bathroom that is that extra use of feet from being a V-nose. Check out 2 sinks and a nice deep corner shower. So you have a private bath, private bedroom, and a nice big lovely social area or a perfect couples unit. So come on by today and check out at Vermont Country Campers a V-Nose.